Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Cash App in 2025 and have some extra funds sitting in your account, you might be wondering how to quickly transfer that money to your debit card. Today, we're breaking it all down step by step, so you can cash out hassle-free. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or just managing your finances, this guide will make it super straightforward. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. It's always a good idea to update for the newest features and security. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your PIN or biometric authentication. Security is key in 2025. Now, head over to the Money tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where your balance lives. Tap on it, and you'll see your available funds. Next, look for the Cash Out option, which might be labeled as Transfer to Bank, or something similar, depending on any updates to the app this year. Select your debit card as the destination. Cash App usually lets you link multiple cards, so double-check that the right one is chosen. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be fees for instant transfers, so opt for the standard one if you're not in a rush. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction with your PIN or fingerprint. After that, sit back and wait. Standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, while instant ones are almost immediate but might cost a bit extra. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for confirmation. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always verify your linked cards to avoid errors, and if you run into any issues like insufficient funds, check your balance first. In 2025, Cash App has even better fraud protection, so if something feels off, contact support right away. There you have it. Cashing out on Cash App to your debit card is easier than ever. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.